it's Ipsy Challenge time, November Ipsy Challenge. I'm going to share with you what I got and a quick review of all the products. Stick with me. Okay, so I got tired of the way I was filming my October, all my... Hey, I'm Melanie, Toasted Blonde. Welcome to my channel. I like makeup. I'm not a beauty guide or guru or influencer. I'm just me. I'm a normal person, so my makeup's not perfect, but I use makeup. I love it, and I'm gonna share my excitement with you over my November Ipsy bag. I did not like the way I was filming these, so I decided to take it as a challenge. So like for a week or two, I'll use the products and then share with you what I got and what I think, like quick review, okay? So let's do my November bag, because it's December already. Oh my gosh, okay. First thing in the bag was this, what is it called? Ciate Wonder Wand Mascara. I love trying new mascaras. I have sensitive eyes. They turn red and it's horrible. This did not turn my eyes red. This did not clump. This was amazing, and it came in my Ipsy bag. Okay, so I used this about for like 2 weeks now, and I absolutely love it. Can you hear my little dog walking by? Little dog footprints. Little sounds of footsteps. Okay, next up is Lottie London, okay? So, Blush Crush. And I don't know why I put it back in here. Okay, so I have rosacea. I have all these problems, don't I? Okay, so I have rosacea. And so I only put, I haven't always used blush, so I started using it because I always get it in my Ipsy bag, and now I put it right here, and it came out really nice. So this is like my fourth blush in a year, and I think I have enough blush that will last me the rest of my life, to be honest. So I think I'm going to uncheck I like blushes because of that. All right, so this color did not come out patchy, but oh, my hand's dirty from other stuff. It's really like bright, huh? Anyway. Love it. I need to get like something to put this in because this is clearly not a long-term use way of doing it. Lottie London, loved it. Blush Crush, the color Z-A-Y-N. Zion? Zine? I suck at this, don't I? All right, loved it. Okay, so that's 2 for 2. We're doing great. Okay. Next up, I love Ipsy, okay? So my next up was Lasting Smiles. It's an organic lip balm. This is Orange Blossom and Peach Blossom, and oh my God, is it peach. So if you do not like powerful smell, like you're like, as soon as you open up, you can smell it, and when you put it on, oh, I love it. I just put it on again. It smells so good. But it only lasts like maybe 5 minutes, and then it's pretty much gone. But it is, I would call it overwhelming, the smell. Like I showed my son, and I was like, you should try this. And he was like, no way, get it away from me. Okay, so it is overwhelming. But great, I've been using it twice a day, usually like in the evening or before bed, and then sometime in the morning. And I haven't been having chat lift problems, but of course it is only November and December, and it isn't freezing cold yet, so we will see. But I'm loving it. I love Ipsy I always get so many for the winter, so that's perfect. I never have to buy lip balm again. Okay, that's 3 for 3. The next up is this Health Beauty eyeshadow. I only fly in first. Okay, I'm wearing it today. It looks really cool in here. When you wet your brush or use your finger, it comes on really nice. But I really was hoping it was a little bit more purple. This is a little bit more brown than I kind of like than this. But I love it. I am such a fan of purple and plum shades. So this also did not give me red eyes, and I was so happy. It does kind of look muddy in the end though. I mean, so I don't know. It's my hooded eyes. What are you gonna do? But it was a big plus for me because it's a beautiful shade, and it's one that I don't nearly have enough of. Plum eyeshadows. I need more. Ipsy, send me more. Okay, last but not least is Eddie Funkhauser Twisted Kisses. Okay, it is like a matte lip pencil or like lipstick, I guess, matte lipstick. I kind of used it. I don't rock. See, look at me. This is me with a nude lip. I don't have the features to pull off. I like bright, vibrant colors. But so I've been using this a lot, like almost like a lip liner, and just cover my whole lips in and then put lip gloss over it. But if I was young enough and could rock a matte lip and a nude lip, this was really great. Like wasn't drying. I mean, that's pretty awesome, right? But I'm not a fan of that color, so I put lip gloss over it, and then it sometimes did like some weird white thing where like I'm talking to somebody and then run in the bathroom and it looked like I got like a white thing on my lips and a little scary. Okay, I don't fault this. I fault the user for putting a lip gloss over it. Anyway, I did crack it because I shoved it too tight in there and cracked it. So I don't know what's wrong with me. Anyway, I loved it. I'm gonna probably keep using it like till I get something else that I like better. I don't know, it's like a nice lip liner underneath other things. So that is it. Thanks for watching Melanie Mail's Toasted Blonde, and my Ipsy bag challenge was a complete success again. Bye-bye.